Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on adding 360 video to your VR experience using SimLab Composer. This feature allows you to incorporate immersive 360-degree videos into your scenes, enhancing the overall VR experience. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to integrate and configure a 360 video, and explore additional options for interactive video controls within the Dynamic Training Builder. Let's get started. First, launch SimLab Composer and open the project where you want to add the video. Then, click on the VR effects icon, then navigate to the Media section and click on Create 360 Video. A dome will appear in your scene. Click on the dome, then go to the Properties and select the VR Video section. In the Video File field, add the video you want to use. There are additional options you can configure in this section, including play on start, loop, interactive, mute, and setting the sound type to either spatial or constant. To add more options for controlling the video, open the Dynamic Training Builder. Right-click and type video to see three options in the search results: Video Seek, Video Toggle, and Video Play. Or you can click on the Media icon in the Responses section and select these options from there. Choose the options you need and attach them to the video. Now let's test it.